The cleansing power. Exploring the world of soap and detergents. Soap and detergents, essential products in our daily lives, play a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. In this article, we will delve into the fascinating world of soap and detergents, exploring their history, composition, and the science behind their cleaning power. Soap, one of the oldest cleaning agents known to humanity, has been used for centuries to cleanse and purify. Its origins trace back to ancient civilizations, where it was made by mixing animal fats or vegetable oils with alkaline substances, such as ashes. This simple yet effective combination created a chemical reaction called saponification, resulting in the formation of soap molecules. The basic structure of soap molecules consists of a hydrophilic, water-loving, head and a hydrophobic, water-repelling, tail. This unique composition allows soap to interact with both water and oil-based substances. When soap is applied to a surface, the hydrophobic tails attach to the oily or greasy particles, while the hydrophilic heads remain in contact with water. As a result, soap molecules surround and encapsulate the dirt and oils, allowing them to be easily rinsed away with water. Detergents, on the other hand, are synthetic cleaning agents that were developed in the early 20th century. Unlike soap, which is derived from natural sources, detergents are made from petroleum-based compounds. The composition of detergents is similar to soap, with hydrophobic and hydrophilic components. However, the chemical structure of detergents can be altered to enhance their cleaning performance, making them more effective in removing stubborn stains and grease. One significant advantage of detergents over soap is their ability to work effectively in hard water. Hard water contains high levels of minerals, such as calcium and magnesium, which can reduce the lathering and cleaning efficiency of soap. Detergents, on the other hand, are formulated to be more soluble in hard water, ensuring optimal cleaning results regardless of water quality. In addition to their cleaning abilities, both soap and detergents can be formulated with various additives to provide additional benefits. For example, antibacterial soaps may contain ingredients such as triclosan or benzalkonium chloride, which help to kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. Moisturizing agents, such as glycerin or aloe vera, can be added to soaps to prevent dryness and maintain the skin's moisture balance. It is important to note that some detergents and cleaning products may contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to the environment and human health. In recent years, there has been a growing awareness and demand for eco-friendly and biodegradable alternatives. These products are formulated with plant-based ingredients and natural cleaning agents, minimizing their impact on the environment while still delivering effective cleaning results. In conclusion, soap and detergents are indispensable tools in our quest for cleanliness and hygiene. Whether it's washing our hands, cleaning our clothes, or maintaining a spotless home, these products have revolutionized the way we tackle dirt and grime. Through their unique chemical structures and formulations, soap and detergents have proven to be powerful allies in our daily cleaning routines. So, the next time you reach for that bar of soap or bottle of detergent, take a moment to appreciate the science and innovation that goes into creating these cleansing powerhouses.